Hello and welcome back to my channel Astrid's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you all how to bake soft and moist carrot and dates cake. So let's begin with the recipe. To make a carrot and dates cake is to preheat the oven for a minimum of 10 minutes. I have kept the oven for preheating and now let's begin with greasing the tin. Here I have parchment paper or butter paper. Grease it with generous amount of ghee. Sides also. Put a little of flour, give it a swirl, let all the sides get covered with the flour as well. Dust it now. Now we are going to put in a parchment or the butter paper. Now our tin is greased and ready. The ingredients I have taken are 1 cup of maida or plain flour, dates and cashew nuts, which is these are around 8 to 10 and also the cashew nuts are 8 to 10, quarter cup of milk, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of a carrot grated, 1/4 cup of oil along with 1/4 cup of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now I have here vanilla essence, which I will use half a teaspoon, baking powder, quarter teaspoon, baking soda and salt. I am adding into the bowl 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of oil and the sugar, that is 3/4 cup, and will beat this well. I am adding in the eggs now. Beat this again well. Now you can see that our mixture has become nice and fluffy. Now time to add the flour. Now let's add in the sifted flour, that is maida, all together. Mix it well. I'll put the milk now, that is 1/4 cup exactly. Now I'm adding in the remaining milk. See the consistency of the batter now. It should be this thick for the carrot cake. Now let's add in our carrots. Mix them well. Now I will add in the 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt to taste and some vanilla extract or vanilla essence, and mix this all together. Before adding in the dates and the cashew nuts, I will dust some flour on top of them so that they don't go and settle down of the cake. Then I will put the mixture into the batter. Now mixing this again once more, and we'll rest this for around 5 minutes. Those of you all who don't have a measuring scale like this or a cup like this, then don't worry. You can use a cup like this to measure your ingredients and bake the cake. It's been 10 minutes now and our batter has been rested well. Now time to put it into the tin. Tin has been greased earlier. Now before putting the batter, I'll apply slightly little ghee on top of it and then put our batter into the tin. Let us tap this once or twice and it's ready to go in the oven. Our oven has been preheated and now goes in the cake for 40 to 45 minutes to 180 degrees. It's been 45 minutes now and our carrot cake is ready. Let it cool down for around 15 minutes and then I will demold it. Mold this now. And let us remove the butter paper. I will show you all. Soft and spongy. Cut this now. You can also spot the little bits of carrot in each piece, adding both flavor and moisture. This cake is rich but not heavy, sweet but well balanced. The edges are lightly golden while the inside stays soft and fluffy. Do bake this cake and enjoy homemade happiness in every slice. These are some of the cakes that I baked during the Christmas season to give to my daughter's friends. Do try this recipe and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow for more cooking recipes. Thank you and God bless.